As we move more and more from the traditional castle and fort analogy, where all our applications sit on premise, protected by firewalls and protected by IDS and IPS and various different levels of technology and load balancing, etc., we're seeing a little bit of a shift towards maybe hybrid infrastructures where some of the technology actually still remains on premise because of the legacy nature of the application and the requirements of a fast high speed network, and also containing that information into a controllable data center. And that might be for a number of reasons. That might be privacy, that might be compliance, or that might just be down to the general commercial sensitivity of the information there. But as we move towards a hybrid infrastructure, what we've got to do is focus a little bit more on how do we provide access into those infrastructures whilst retaining the traditional control that we had with on-premise infrastructure. So that might be transforming from a physical firewall, for instance, into a virtual firewall, but using the same technology from Cisco to actually protect it with a known good configuration that you maybe would apply to an on-premise solution. So there's various things that can be done there. Some of the other things to consider as well is when you move them from the traditional areas of the network and into the cloud, what additional implications do we have in terms of information security? Where does that data actually sit? Are we allowed to place that data in that cloud? And how do we secure that data at rest, in motion? And while that data is being consumed, how do we effectively ensure that only the people that are authorized to get access to those information assets can do so?